Tonight on Customer States, we count down the best or otherwise worst mechanical nightmares. This customer brought their PT Cruiser in for an oil change, and the milky oil surprised literally nobody. This customer brought their vehicle in for paint and decided to sand it down themselves to save money. Body Shop advises he did a great job.
Customer states, "Oh yeah, buddy, I started sanding it at home. Will that make the price a little cheaper? What did you use, a rock? What was he sanding it with, a brick? Holy. At least he didn't do the whole van. My God, bro. What do you use, a rock on this thing? Let's see if Jameis can make it look better. Oh my Lord.
This customer states that after 15 minutes of driving their vehicle, the car will start shaking and not steering very well. Upon further inspection, the customer decided to get a second opinion when they didn't agree with the mechanic.
2005 Chevy Equinox. Customer states after about 15 minutes of driving, it starts jerking. Well, this ain't connected. Inner tie rods both have play. Frame rot to complete oblivion. Rear drive shaft says nope. She's converted to front wheel drive. Doesn't even exist. PCV valve, you know, it's just chilling. It don't need to be plugged in. We don't need that. Belt tensioner just completely left the chat. But I got brand new shocks though. So there's a plus. Oh my Lord, this thing is a mess.
This customer brought their vehicle in stating that the car isn't starting. It didn't take the mechanics long to find out why. This brand new Ford Explorer had water getting into the vehicle and had to have the entire interior removed and replaced, costing over $26,000 in parts alone.
What 26 grand looks like for all interior parts for a 2021 Explorer ST. There's that pile. There's another pile. There's the seat covers and all the insulation, plus the drain tube. There's the airbags. All for this brand new 2021 ST that had a pond in it because of a water leak. So this whole interior is getting gutted on a vehicle with less than 8,000 miles on it. Yay, Monday!
This customer brought their WRX in after they did a clutch job themselves, complaining about engagement issues and wanted it looked over. Mechanic advises to work on toy cars instead.
You think so? I don't know.
This customer states that they have a tire light on their Nissan and must have a flat. Upon further investigation, the tires are recommended to be 38 PSI, which isn't the case.
Customer states on the Nissan that his tire lights are on. They thought they might be a dead sensor. This one had 65 pounds. This one had 80 pounds.
No, you're not.
This one has 65. And this one has 70. On a little Nissan Maxima, they should only have 35 pounds.
This customer had brought his Audi to an Audi dealership for 8 years, every year paying for a new air filter. This honest mechanic found out that Audi had been scamming him the entire time.
Alright, got ourselves an Audi A4, 2001 model, 1.9 diesel, fantastic engine. Since the owner bought it in 2007, this car has always, every single year, gone to the dealership, Audi official dealership, for its oil changes and change every filter every year. Let's check the state of this. Doesn't look like it was changed last year, does it? Ah, 2016. Would you look at that? Why do people do this? The client has receipts for every single...
This customer brought this car in demanding cheap used tires, which I think is the least of their problems considering the chassis is rusted out. This customer brought their vehicle in stating that their car continues running no matter what, even if you turn the vehicle off. This customer brought their vehicle in a few months ago for an oil change, then on the highway blew a hole in the motor and caught on fire from the oil, demanding the mechanic pay for a new Ford RS.
Oh yeah. Ford. Oh yeah. There's a hole in the block, my guy. After it spilled its guts on the highway, said guts caught fire and roasted the back of the car. Tip tag's good though.
This customer brought their car in stating for a few months it's had a slight vibration when driving and wanted to know why. This mechanic states that at 10:30 p.m. last night, a Dodge truck started rolling through their shop on its own and almost knocked all of the trucks off the lifts. This customer brought their vehicle in after it had ran out of fuel the same day he just filled up an entire tank.
Alright, customer stated she filled her vehicle up full of gas, took it home, parked it, Came back out the next morning, it wouldn't start. Said the gas light was flashing on. Well, everything looked normal until I got over here where someone drilled a hole in her gas tank and stole all her gas. People can't pay $4 a gallon, so they're back to stealing it. Everybody keep an eye out.
This customer brought their vehicle in stating that they had just installed rotors and brake pads, securing them with Gorilla Glue, and were confused why the car was making noises when braking. This customer brought their vehicle in stating that the car randomly shut off without any warning signs, absolutely none at all, and denied any claim of perhaps hitting something.
Customer states, just driving along and then the motor shut off. Now,
This customer brought their car in stating that it takes off on its own, and the accelerator won't slow down.
Okay, boys, we got a new one for you this morning. Come in, get this RO. Says you fire the car up, sounds like it's gonna go 100 miles an hour. I'm like, what the As you can see, I'm on the brake. There's the gas pedal. Somewhere down there. Oh, I already figured it out, boys. I already figured it out. It helps if you don't put your mat there on your gas pedal.
I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please subscribe for more mechanical nightmares.